How to backup and restore your Outlook data. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Outlook desktop version allows you to take a backup of your emails. However, the option is not available on the web version as well as the mobile version. So if you have the desktop version, you can do and follow the same steps. For this, first of all, launch your Outlook desktop and then tap on the file option, which should be on the top left corner. Once you reach there, tap on the option of import and export. Then select on export to file and CSV. Then select on Gmail and name a file that you want to keep. You can keep it as backup and then select on next. Now all the backup will be stored in a separate file which is in CSV format, and this is how you can take a backup of your email. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.